Hello guys, and welcome back to Unresponsive Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix unresponsive controller and how to fix that basically, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is, if you have access to like a USB cable, I'm pretty sure you can connect a USB cable to the Xbox and play directly with that. But if you don't, the second method I'm going to recommend you guys doing is you basically need to download the Xbox app on your phone or your iPad or whatever and sign into the same account you are signed in on your Xbox. So once you do that, I'm pretty sure there's a remote control feature, and you're going to basically use that remote control feature to go over to settings, and then you want to go over to let me see, devices and connections, controllers and headsets, and then from here you want to basically just update your controller, and you click on the three dots. Yeah, and then you want to basically just update it. Obviously you can only do this if you have the Xbox app, and then you have to log into the same account, and then you have to use a remote control feature. But if that doesn't work, then I recommend is using a LAN cable, and then if all else fails, you can always try restarting your Xbox as well, and you can do that by just turning it off. Turn off the power, so turn off the console, and then like unplug all of the wires out of the Xbox, wait like 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug them back in, and then check to see if that fixes. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.